Namaste. After a very successful completion at Dalpura, here we are for the next 3 days in Sanali, ready to start off with our sessions with the little ones, where we began with some dance yoga, of course, and started making our little birds after just activating our energy. And honestly, it was just so nice to see them again. And this was the bird making to reinforce the message that no matter what, we can fly, and we are going to fly. And here they are so cute. Look at this one. Her smile just stole my heart, and she actually made a mom and a child. It was so sweet, and then all of them wanted to show theirs. So here we go. Have a look at them. They are so sweet, and even afterwards they actually kept all of them near their bedside. And here I thought I would show you every single one of them, because every single one is unique and so special. Namaste yogis. Before we go ahead with the whole video for Sanali, I just wanted to give a bit of a context. If you're new here and you've not watched part 1, that was at Dalpura and all of the magic that happened here. This video is specifically for the magic happening in the upcoming 3 days in Sanali. Basically, this is a wellness retreat or a wellness camp organized by the Rosie Blue Foundation for the really in the tribal rural areas here in Sanali and Dalpura. And we've got over 2,000 children, so we just finished the 1,000 children in Dalpura, and now you're going to be seeing the next half of the trip, which is in Sanali, where we're also going to be doing some pottery, some dancing, dance yoga. We've got meditation, breathwork, affirmations, lessons of life, spiritual games. I mean, there's so much, so let's just get started with it. Good morning, it's day 4 and I made my way to Sanali, and this is actually how they start their day, with their prayers. And then we got into our first session for the day, which was our dance yoga, our choreography, meditation and pranayama with the girls. And there was this really cute little puppy, and we got kind of distracted here, so I just wanted to show you. Everyone was saying hi, and then we got back to work, back to our choreography, so here it is. After some power-packed dance, we of course ended with some positive affirmation meditation. And I remember last time I gave them this one mantra, and every single one of them knows it. It's just incredible. And of course some informal time with everybody, and then got ready for session 2, which was with the boys, with some spiritual games, and this was so much fun. We actually took some time between each and every game to go through the learnings about staying focused in life, not stealing, not lying, how to cooperate, how to work in harmony, how to have good respect. And then we went into some meditation to calm our nervous system.
આ શાળા મને બહુ જ ગમે છે, અને શ્રદ્ધા દીદીની પ્રવૃત્તિઓ પર હું શ્રદ્ધા દીદીને પાછા આવવાની હું વિનંતી કરું છું.
It was time for a little break time after those 2 sessions, so I headed over to make some chai for everybody, and then I bumped into everybody, and it was so sweet. So while making some chai, the little ones of yesterday decided to show me their little birds, and they're completely dried out and ready to put next to their beds, and they enjoyed. And then we got ready for session 3, which was another dance choreography. I usually start off with some warm-up. I show them the dance once, and then we learn it, and then we perform it, and then we go into meditation and breathwork. And it was time for our final session for today. So once again, made some groups. And here I try to focus more on the message than the game. So of course, having fun, making sure that they are active. They're very with me throughout the 1 hour, but at the same time, learning a lot through it. So I make sure that at the end of the hour, what they remember is not the game, but the message. So it was lovely. I'll see you tomorrow. Namaste, it is day 5 and I cannot believe we're coming towards the end of this amazing blissful week. Honestly, before we get into the day for today, I just wanted to say that normally today is going to be my 16th session. We're doing a total of 20 and I would think that I'm tired and I'm ready to go back home and all of that, but I'm feeling the complete opposite. I'm feeling rejuvenated, recharged. I'm feeling inspired and gratitude and everything good in my heart. I feel like the kid in me is just alive, and these children have filled me so much more than what I have filled them. And if ever you get a chance and an opportunity to go to do and volunteer in such a project or just offer your services there, I would highly, highly recommend it. It is a life transforming experience. I think I'm feeling so humbled. I'm feeling so grateful. I don't think that I could ever complain, feeling like it's okay to complain, because they have nothing yet they have the biggest heart and the biggest smile. So that's something huge I'm learning here. So let's get started with today.
બસ મજા આવી બેન જોડે. બેનને કામ કરી બહુ સરસ કર્યું છે અને બહુ સારું છે, મજા આવે છે બેનના જોડે.
So we started off the day with the first session and it's just beautiful. I want to share how amazing these kids grasp. They're grasping their respect, their sincerity, and here it was us doing some positive affirmations, and let's hear it from the teacher.
હું પારુલ છું. અહીંયા સર્વોદય આશ્રમ સનાલીમાં છેલ્લા 20 વર્ષથી કામ કરું છું. આ સનાલીમાં રોઝી બ્લુ ફાઉન્ડેશન તરફથી અવનવી પ્રવૃત્તિઓ થતી રહે છે. એમાં રોઝી બ્લુ તરફથી આ વખતે વેલનેસ પ્રોગ્રામ જે એડ કર્યો છે, એમાં જે શ્રદ્ધાબેન કોઠારી સાથે કામ કરવાની જે મજા આવી અને બાળકોનો જે આનંદ થયો, તેનું મને બહુ જ મજા આવી છે. અને મતલબ એમની સાથે કામ કરીને બહુ આનંદ થયો. તો મારું ફીડબેક એમના માટે છે કે એમને એપ્રુવલ આપો અને અવારનવાર અમારી સંસ્થામાં આવા વેલનેસ પ્રોગ્રામ કરે, જેથી કરીને હેપીનેસ રહે અને લાઈફનું આર્ટ ઓફ લિવિંગના કેટલાક જે હોય છે ટોપિક, એમાંથી શીખવા મળે છે, જે બહુ સારી પ્રવૃત્તિ છે. થેન્ક યુ. જિંદગી છે આ મારી.
Like I mentioned before, I usually start off with a warm-up and then I show them the choreography, so it kind of goes in their minds and then they're excited enough to learn it themselves and they know what to anticipate. And here again we performed it together, so they really feel empowered, they feel so excited and they're grasping the bonding. I remember everyone now so clearly, and this time was just a very personal bonding with everyone.
મને ખૂબ જ મજા આવી કૃષ્ણ ભગવાનનો આ ડાન્સ કરીને. મને ખૂબ આનંદ થયો કે શ્રદ્ધા દીદીએ અમને આ ડાન્સ શીખવાડ્યો અને અમને ખૂબ મજા આવી આ ડાન્સ કરીને.
બધા સાથે બોલો Namaste. So I just got a little break between classes, so I thought I would actually show you quickly the complex over here. So I'm walking and this is kind of the entrance. And then here on this side, we've got the girls' hostel. And this actually complex is bigger than the Dalpura one. This is the main shed where they start off with their prayers and they start their school over here. This is for the mid-age girls and the boys. And then once you walk a little bit further down this road, I'm going to take you there. It's for the little children, the smaller ones that you saw in the beginning of the video. So this is for the smaller children right here. Little playground. These are the little classes right here, the little playground and some more classrooms. And then when you go up, it's their hostel. So here we have the boys' bhojanshala, which means where they eat. And then here we've got some more classrooms right here. And let me take you to one of my favorite places. So actually this complex is huge. Like as I'm walking here, just trying to like show you around, it's just, oh my God, look, my friend has come. Oh, the cutie pie. So he has been here for like all my sessions and he just keeps coming back. 1 second. So if you see over here, excuse me, they have a bit of a running track and walking pathway as well, because some of these children are really into sports and they might even make a future in sports. So this is kind of a space where they can train for it. Really lovely, a lot of nature. And we have over here, as I walk a little ahead, a little mandir that they've made for the children, which is a temple of Shiva, if I'm not mistaken. And let's just take a little bit of blessings and then head back to sessions. So this is it right here. Very sweet, a little bit of a quiet space amidst all of the chaos and the activities. It was time for session 3 and 4 of today's days. So yes, everybody really enjoyed again. And you know, you might be thinking that, oh my God, Shraddha, you're doing this over and over again. But I'm telling you, every single time I take a session, and this is the 20th, I think, here that we've done here, but every time is different and every time is full of love. And so much learning, honestly, and it's more about the bonding than anything else. So today is the last day, and as I was checking out, the staff gave me this beautiful little flower that he made himself by hand. So then we got ready for one last girls group session, and my heart is filled with so much gratitude. As we were learning all of this and they knew that it was my last day, everybody said that please cancel your car, we don't want you to go. And I think it's just so amazing to see these children empowered. They are so beautiful, and for them to get a little bit of exposure of all of this is so lovely. And then we got into the final, the 20th session of this week. These children have stolen my heart. I am ever so grateful. Every single one of them has taught me something. If you ever get the opportunity to visit something like this, please do so. It is amazing.